Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to read WhatsApp messages without Bluetricks or without scene. So all you have to need to see someone WhatsApp message without Bluetricks, we have to turn off read receipts option on our WhatsApp. So all you have to need, go to WhatsApp and tap on this three dot and tap on settings. And here tap on tap on privacy, and here you'll find read receipts option. So all you have to need, just disable read receipts, and now go back to your WhatsApp and now open any chat, and now you can read the message. And now I'm going to switch my WhatsApp account, and as you can see, I opened the conversation and I've read this message from my another WhatsApp account, but here we can see the Bluetricks is not showing. So this is how we can read someone message without Bluetricks. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.